With our Kohler Numi 2.0 smart toilet, you'll never leave the lid up again. It's a completely touchless experience that closes and flushes automatically as you leave the bathroom. The Amazon Alexa is built into the product, so it's embedded within Numi 2.0. It allows you to access a couple of unique features like flush your toilet or start your bidet cleansing experience. It also allows you to play music, streaming your music through your smart home device. You can play your favorite podcast, check the news. Maybe while you're getting ready in the morning, check your weather before you get out the door. So very applicable set of features through the Amazon Alexa.
I mean, you know, some people can go into the toilet and sit there for a while to take a mental break. And I see the value for that for those people, one of which is my husband. And but for me, I'm in and out.
The price is too high. I love the features, but it's too expensive. The price come down, I would buy it. Especially the self-cleaning.